What's up everyone, Vitaly here, and in this short video I want to show you how to very easily use ChatGPT to create amazing YouTube titles and descriptions for one or more of your videos. Now the strategy is really simple. It doesn't take a lot of work, but it can potentially provide you with amazing results. And whether you use it for brand new videos that you create on your YouTube channel or trying to update and improve existing videos that may not be doing too well, there is a lot of potential in this. In my particular case, I'm seeing better results. You can just see in this particular situation, I've been doing this for a few days, but you see more than usual, more than usual, more than usual. There's a gradual rise going on, and this isn't only for this channel, it's also for my other channel as well. And the strategy is exactly the same, whether it be for this one or for the other one. So what exactly is this strategy? Well, what you want to do is you want to head over to ChatGPT, and I'm just going to show you how this prompt plays out. I will copy and paste it below this video so you can use it as well. But all I did was very simple. I asked, hey there, I have a YouTube video on this topic. Now the topic in question here is this video, that is Lake Crescent Olympic National Park Scenic Drive. Really boring title, really boring description. The video's not doing too well. Maybe it's the thumbnail, maybe it's the title, maybe it's the description. But really, we have nothing to lose. So trying to improve it may make all the difference in this case. So what I did was I just basically copied and pasted the title here on this topic, and then I provided just a brief description. If you provide more details about what your video is about, it will really help ChatGPT give you a better title and better description, so I do highly recommend it. But in this particular case, I said the video just shows a drive through the area and its beauty. I would like to have you write me a good title and description to use in the video, thanks. And so this one right here, it replied, and then it gave me a title right here and a description that I could paste in here. Now, on top of that, it gave me a few other titles that I can use as well. So, you know what, this one I like. I will copy it over. I will go to my YouTube video. I will paste this, and then I will just take this particular the description, that is. I can click on copy, but it might also include the title. Copy that, and then just place that in place of this. So that's it. That's all it takes. So actually, let me just do it here. Experience the beauty of this. There we go. That's pretty good. I like that. This just reads so much better than really the nothing that I had prior to that. So I'm just going to click on save. And like I said, I've been applying this not just to this video, but a whole bunch of others on this channel and on my other channel. And I'm starting to really see growth happening. It's small, but you know what? These small things add up, especially because I'm scaling this right now. It also saves you a ton of time and energy if you're creating a lot of new content and you're trying to figure out what kind of title, what kind of description should I write. It really can be time consuming, but with ChatGPT's help, or if you have another preference for an AI tool that does similar things, this can be very powerful for you. So I hope that this video was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know. But other than that, I will see you in the next video. Take care, everybody.